Wholesalers must have suitable and adequate premises, installations, and equipment to ensure proper storage and distribution of medicinal products. The premises should be suitably secure, structurally sound, and of sufficient capacity, with segregated areas accessible only to authorized personnel. Products that have been removed from saleable stock should be segregated either physically or through an electronic system. Radioactive materials and other hazardous products should be stored in a dedicated area. Medicinal products require a controlled environment. Temperature mapping should be performed to prevent extremes and fluctuations. All relevant equipment should have appropriate design, fit for purpose, and be well maintained and properly calibrated. Computerized systems should be validated as capable of achieving the desired results accurately, consistently, and reproducibly. Detailed description of the system should describe principles, objectives, security measures, system scope, and main features, how the computerized system is used, and the way it interacts with other systems. Data should be secured by physical or electronic means and protected against accidental or unauthorized modifications. Good documentation constitutes an essential part of the quality system. Documentation comprises all written procedures, instructions, contracts, records, and data. Documentation should be readily available and approved, signed, and dated by appropriate authorized persons. Documents should be retained for at least 5 years. Personal data should be deleted or anonymized as soon as practicable. Superseded or obsolete procedures should be removed from workstations and archived. Records of sales, purchases, and deliveries should always be created in real time. Wholesalers have to ensure that identity of the medicinal product is not lost and that the products are handled according to the information on the outer packaging. Imports from other member states are subject to notification to the market authorization holder and the relevant competent authority, depending on type of registration. The purpose of the receiving function is to ensure that the arriving consignment is correct, that the medicinal products originate from approved suppliers, and that they have not been visibly damaged during transport. Warehousing operations must ensure maintenance of appropriate storage conditions and allow for appropriate security of stocks. Stock should be rotated according to the first expiry, first out FEFO principle. Obsolete stocks should be destroyed. All complaints, returns, suspected falsified medicinal products, and recalls must be recorded in real time and handled according to written procedures. A distinction should be made between complaints related to the quality of medicinal product and those related to distribution. Medicinal products which have left the premises of the distributor should only be returned to saleable stock if they are unopened and undamaged, have not expired, and have not been recalled, if they are returned with an acceptable time limit and stored appropriately. Falsified medicinal products are reportable to the relevant national competent authority. The effectiveness of the arrangements for product recall should be regularly evaluated.